We got two Eruption Green Akins Ford Broncos coming to you today, Apex Edition style. Let's go. This Eruption Green is a phenomenal color. I love the way you can do different variations to make it hit in different ways. We have Joe Kilsey's Outer Banks looking phenomenal, and a great guy right here. Look at how great the fuel shock looks on that Eruption Green. It's got so much gold in that paint anyway, y'all. Seeing it in the sunlight and in person, it has a great appeal to it. It's got a lot of metallic flake and again a lot of gold, so when you put a gold wheel on there, it really just accentuates and brings out the gold in the paint even more. So great repeat customer. Did a little nice 2-inch kit with fuel shock wheels and 285/70/17 BFG KO2 tires, Go Rhino, rock rail protector, and a functional side step bar. I love their Go Rhino offerings, and Joe stuck with the factory step bar on his, which looks great as well. Joe's Outer Banks, you got a gloss black grille up front, LED headlights, daytime running lights. On the base model, you have a nice textured grille with black letters and added a nice auto vent shade front panel there, bug deflector, which looks great. So two different styles, two different variations. They look completely different, but both look amazing to me. So initially, do you like the more textured grille or the gloss grille? And then gold versus what we did on Joe's was we did powder coat his factory Outer Banks wheel. It had a lot of silver and gloss black in it, so did it that way, and it has a great overall look to it, really flowing nicely with the Mick hardtop in that gray color. And 295/70/18, because these are 18-inch wheels from the factory on a 2-inch lift again, so very similarities as far as overall lift height. And did modified crash bar front and rear on Joe's, along with the rigid triple fog kit. In that slot right there, you've got a functional street legal fog light, floodlight, and spotlight. You can see here, hadn't added it yet, but maybe we can, you'll see this video and maybe that could be a next upgrade. That is a great fit for the modular bumper, added more additional lighting in that slot there. Antenna is something mundane and basic, but the factory antenna versus the 4-inch stubby antenna makes a difference, has a great appeal to it. I don't know if you can notice or not, but on front of the Outer Banks, we did the Oracle backlit Bronco letters. So at nighttime, I can't wait to, I'm about to go by and see Joe. Essentially, you got that white light runs all the way across the front grille now at nighttime with the Bronco letters all lit up. And also notate that you got painted mirror covers as well as side fender flares versus the textured black offering there, like it's typically standard on the Bronco there. So I like the painted mirror caps and fender flares, but on this particular vehicle, this textured component, to me, I really do enjoy it. I think it looks great. It's not about cookie cutter, it's about what is best for that specific vehicle and custom. You know, that's what we're all about here. Check out some before scenes of Joe's Eruption Green, looking amazing. Let me know what you think about the fuel shock, the bronze versus the matte black satin black finish here. This more suits this one because of that hard top, really flows and ties together. I think Chad did a great job on this one, and Albert did a great job on this one. Inside of Joe's, y'all, I'm loving this contrasting of the brown and black leather with the blue stitching throughout that really ties in nicely with the theme of the Outer Banks. Big 12-inch touchscreen as well. Joe has been a friend of mine, hooked up his son's truck back in the day. Just a great family, y'all. I love helping all of our customers, but especially great people. It makes a huge difference. It just adds joy to my life. I wanted to pull Joe's out separate from the other Eruption Green of Chris's just to showcase how well this thing looks with a 2-inch lift with a little bit of something added on of our Apex Edition here at Akins and Willies. It's clean and simple, looks amazing, y'all. Backed out Joe's to show you Chris's Eruption Green separate from the other one, just to get a good representation of how it looks with the bronze wheels. I love it, y'all. Great staff at our accessory store, which there's Akins, and right next door is our Willies accessory store. So Albert hooked up Joe, and then Chad took care of my man right here. It looks great. We got two different variations. It just worked out coincidentally, we had them both side by side today to bring you and show you different variations of ways to make your Bronco even better, because you know the Broncos need a lot of love. So that's why you got to trust in Akins and Willies. We can take care of both, y'all. Thanks for watching today. Peace out.